Oh fuck. It's really hot.
Jeez.
I don't even need to keep lighting these, just toss them on top of each other.
That green shit.
Oh shit, what's that for Ev? Oh no. I'm gonna find another one.
That's cool looking.
Oh fuck. Whoa. Too bad they can't see it.
I have an iPhone, so the iPhone on the camera sucks.
Trying to light as many at one time as I can. Why do they keep coming down here?
I'm on fire!
What's this? I see stars.
Ugh. I see stars. More like I'm bored at your fucking concert.
That's blue and green.
Burn.
Grandma's like, what are you
Panic
doing?
at the Disco!
Grandma's like, what are you doing with those? Burning them. Why? 'Cause I can.
One day you're gonna die from the fucking fire.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Holy shit!
I'm sorry, I'm such a pyro.
We all are. We both are.
Hollywood undead.
No.
Look at that nice blue flame down
Yeah, no, nice. We're gonna start a forest fire.
there. No, not everything's damp.